Hey guys, Chmelaeon.com here. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing for the Bestek inverter. This is the 400 watt model, and this is the best-selling, top-rated inverter brand on Amazon. They make everything from 300 watt, I think, all the way up to like 2,000 watt. But let's get straight into this thing. As always, there's going to be an Amazon link in the description below. And be sure to check out Chmelaeon.com, guys, because we have a ton of auto accessories. Everything from phone holders, magnetic mounts, dent fixers, inverters, seat covers, leather seat covers, pet accessories for your car, like so you don't get hair on the seats. We have a ton of auto accessories, so we would appreciate it if you guys check us out. Just type in the word car in the search bar, and we can help you guys out with anything you need. Even speakers, too. Check that out. Alright, back to the action. So, why did I buy this thing? And why do I recommend it? I'll be really quick. So when you go to Amazon, just want to show you this really quick, what's coming up in search. You know, the top three are sponsored, so those really don't count. Number one, Amazon choice, Bestek 300 watt, 4,800 customer reviews at 4.5 stars. You know what I'm saying? Versus 197 with, you know, 3 stars. That kind of deal. And it's just, people don't have the same amount of market share as these guys. Here's a comparable one. Actually, this is a really good example, because here's my 400 watt that I bought. This is an Ampeak, 30 bucks, and here's a Bestek, 40 bucks. Not that much of a difference, and I think I got mine on sale with like a coupon or something. Anyway, point of the story, 140 reviews at 4 stars. This thing's got 1,000 reviews at 4.2 stars. So let's explore it a little bit, and then I'm actually going to do the unboxing. It's got an external fuse. Actually, it has 2 external fuses. A cooling fan, positive and negative terminals, so you can put it directly to a battery. USB ports, I believe there's 4. US AC outlet, power indicator, car hook. Clamps. I don't know, like, what car hook? It's a car hook. I think the car hook is for mounting, probably, I would imagine. You can run your laptop off it, pretty self-explanatory. I love this thing. It's got low pressure, high pressure, intelligent protection, circuit device, intelligent overload protection, quick charge, USB, 2 AC outlets. But I wanted to show you that it had a 92% high power conversion efficiency, which is ridiculous. And I'm going to read off the Amazon as I unbox it. So here we go. Show you guys what this thing's about and how it looks and performs from the box. Pretty sleek box for an inverter. You got your manual here. I'm going to read through that at the end because we're 3 minutes in. I haven't even opened this thing. It's the way we do things here at Chmelaeon. Totally unscripted. They got a thank you card. Any questions or concerns, send us an email. I'm sure they're good with warranties if they're 4.5 stars. Here's a caution sticker. Let's get to the creme de la creme. Beautifully presented, I must say. It's got this nice box around it. And, wow, the red and the black is very vivid. Sleek. It's pretty sleek for, you know, 40 bucks. And I don't think we paid 40. I think we were like 35 on a coupon. But anyway, we're going to have the Amazon link, once again, guys, in the description below. The reason I went with this one over the 300 is because it actually has a battery terminal, where the 300 watt did not have that ability. I'm not saying the 300 watt is bad. I just wanted to make sure I had enough continuous power in case I wanted to run like 2 laptops at once or something. And I just thought 10 bucks was worth it, quite honestly. Here's the socket, car outlet socket. And that actually goes, oh wow, that actually goes directly onto the mounts right here. That's surprising. I thought it was going to be a USB, which is probably good, because that is probably going to put a lot more power through. I also noticed that the USB ports have 2 different powers, from 1 amp to 0 to 2.4 amp for fast charging. Oh, they have 3 fast charging, and then they have a 1 amp. That's pretty neat. Here's a model number, MR14011IU, 12 volt DC, 39.2 amps, output 110 vac, 60 hertz, 3.6A, 400 watts. It says it's got a peak of 1,000, but I'm going to read that as I'm doing this. So while I'm doing that, I'm not going to read through this whole manual, but I am going to let you guys see it. Bestek Advantage, America's #1 power inverter brand, provides 400 watts of continuous DC to AC power and 1,000 watts of peak power. Dual 110 volt household electrical outlets provide enough power for your laptop, digital camera, TV, fan, refrigerator, game console, DVD/Blu-ray player, GPS lamps, and more. So they claim that this thing can run a refrigerator. You probably can on 400 watts, actually. 400 watts is a lot of power. An LED bulb is like 9. So, just thought I'd throw that out there. 5 amp, 4-port USB charging ports make the power inverter ideal for charging your phones, tablets, and other USB-powered devices. Built-in replaceable 30 amp, 32A, 32V, 30 amp, 32 volt. 2 fuses. And cooling fan for safety and easier maintenance. So here's the cooling fan right here. And here are the 2 fuses. And they actually have a nice cover on them. And they have 2 Phillips heads to protect them. I thought that was a nice feature that they had protectors for the fuses. Comes with a 2.3-foot car cigarette lighter plug and a 2-foot black and red battery clip to plug into your cigarette lighter or connect directly to your vehicle's battery. That's pretty sweet. So here's my recommendations for inverters, guys. Let me actually check one thing before I do that. I'm going to type in an inverter so you guys see if we can get anything cheaper on Chmelaeon. Yeah, just so you guys know, we have inverters on here. Here's a few little ones. The 200 watt for 30 bucks. But we always have updates. Anyway, just thought I'd mention that while I'm doing this. If you're going on Amazon and not Chmelaeon, these 2 were the ones I were going to go. Were the ones I were going to buy. If I did not buy the 400, I was going to buy the 1,000 watt. But look at this. Even the 300 watt, 4,800 customer reviews. That's ridiculously good. And then there's other sizes. We'll have links in the description for all of them. And be sure to check those out. I think there's anything else that we need to say on this thing. And that's pretty much it. Just get one more shot of this thing. Let me show you what it all comes with, all laid out. Comes in this nice box. Let me put this back really quick. Actually, it's a beautiful storage box too, just for your car. So if you're not using it, you don't even have to buy a storage box. Everything's right here. It's nicely separated, bubble wrap included. Nice little case. I always keep the box, guys. Always keep the box. Great tip about life is always be keeping that box. Because if you ever resell it or you need to ship it back, it makes it look a lot better if you got the box. Or if you just have to sell it off one day. You never know. Just a quick Chmelaeon tip. Alright, so there it is, guys. That is the full setup. You get yourself the box, the inverter, the power clips, a cigarette, or car outlet lighter, whatever. Lighter, the car outlet lighter. Smoking kills, kids. And then you get yourself the manual and thank you card. And it tells you a couple different things for the light indicators, like, there's one thing, I think that's French. So like LED indications, LED off, grid cut, outlet has no power, or the connection is loose. LED is green, normal work status. LED is red, overload or short circuit. So they have indications on the board to tell you what's going on. I highly recommend it. I think this is one of the best inverters on Amazon. The people have spoken, especially in the 400 watt range. Once you start getting into 1,000, I mean, that's a pretty ridiculous amount of power. But if you're just running like your laptop out of your car or something and you just don't have to rely on like Panera Bread or something, right here, guys. On that note, Chmelaeon.com is out. Peace.